Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have missed you all so much. Today I thought I would do a get ready with me slash Q&A slash a bit of a life update. And if you can hear that noise, it is currently pouring down with rain. Yeah. So yeah, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is my second one. As you can see, I really use this one up. Like, I loved it so much. Like, I literally bought a second one. So how have you guys all been? Have you guys been all safe and stuff? Hope you guys are all doing well. Let me know how you guys are in the comments. So yeah. I'm gonna do a little update before I do, like, kind of like life update before I do the Q&A part of this video. So, little update from me. Okay, so I haven't been, so obviously I haven't posted some videos in a while. Like, my last probably makeup tutorial was a get ready with me, and that was about 3 months ago. But yeah, and that was for my boyfriend's birthday. Ended up taking him out to lunch. It was lovely. Yeah, anyways, so I'm just looking at my little mirror here. So yeah, anyway, so about towards the end of April, I got sick. So I got sick around my birthday, which sucked. It did. I got a cold, so yeah, and with, you know, COVID, then, you know, plus COVID had happened, so I was pretty much staying at home for like 3 months. I'm still staying at home. So yeah, I was just, yeah, staying at home, not going out. I didn't get to see my boyfriend for like a month. A lot of stuff happened in April. One being, you know, I got sick, and then he was in hospital, and then his mum got sick, and we couldn't see each other because, you know, all had to quarantine and stuff for 2 weeks. So, because after he got out of hospital, he had to quarantine for 2 weeks, and then his mum got sick, which she's completely fine. It was just like a 24-hour bug. So yeah, and then she had to quarantine for 2 weeks. So yeah, but now I get to see him. I spent the yesterday and Friday with him, which was lovely. It was so nice. And other than that, I've just been spending time with my boyfriend and my family, just being here. I have gone on a couple of like outings with my boyfriend. We went to the Rail Museum in Bathurst last week, which was lovely. It really was. It was really nice. It was really cool too. If you haven't been there, I recommend it. It's really nice. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm in the shade Ivory Rose, which I love. And I'm going to take my Sephora brush, my 56 Sephora brush. This is like the best brush ever. So good. So yeah. And also when we were on lockdown, I did a lot of painting. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I actually posted on my Insta stories that I'd been doing some painting. So I got a whole little section over there on my shelf of all my paintings that I've done, and I might actually paint a picture this afternoon. Might do that, maybe. We'll see. See how today goes. But yeah, I really got into painting when we were on lockdown. It was really nice. It was so relaxing. Yeah. So yeah, right now. Yeah. Oh, I love this foundation, you guys. It's one of my favorites. It's so buildable, and it's just really nice. It's a nice foundation. I really love L'Oreal's foundations. They're so good. Like, really good, in my opinion. Good. Let's see what else. I dyed my hair red. If you guys can tell. Yeah, it's just a boxed hair dye. I'll actually show you what it's. This Schwarzkopf Color Specialist hair color. This is in Rich Ruby, number 6.88. It's It's really nice. It's a really nice red. So yeah, I really, really like that red. So yeah, that's the red that I have. And I bought two because I didn't know if I would need like 2 box dyes, but I didn't. So I need one, which was good. So I have a second one, which I'm going to use to touch up my hair at some point. Alright. Let's take a bit more foundation. And I'm just going in circular motions with my brush around my nose. And then I'm going to go over it with my beauty blender. Now this one's just from Woolworths. It's really nice. Okay. Now I'm going to take my concealer. Well, concealers. I'm using 2. This one is the CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit Concealer. This is really good. And the other one is the True Match Concealer from L'Oreal. And I really like this. I've used it before. Okay, so let's get into, so that's pretty much what's happened over the last couple of months. So let's get into the Q&A. So the first question, I've got the screenshots here. I actually have 3 questions, which is really cool. So the first question is from one of my friends her name is Rosie. So her is Rosie Posey _33. And she says, what is your go-to product that you've been using for years? That is super, I actually had to think about this. That's really easy. That would have to be my Neutrogena cleansing palettes. I swear by these. I love them. Absolutely love them. I have tried so many, like so many different kinds of makeup wipes. I've tried the ones from Garnier a couple of times. They were alright, but at the end of the day, I always go back to my Neutrogena cleansing palettes. I absolutely love these. I love them. I buy 2 in a pack from Big W and I absolutely love these. I've been using them for years. So yeah, these are my go-to makeup wipes. They're the only makeup wipes that I use and I love them so much. They're my favorite. So yeah, I've been using, like I said, I've been using those for years and I swear by them. I just love these so much. I love them because they're not too tough on my skin and they are just amazing. I love these. You can get them anywhere. You can get them at the grocery store, you can get them at Target, you can get them at Big W, you can get them at Priceline. They are amazing. Just amazing. I love these so much. I love those wipes. So thank you, Rosie, for your question. Next question is from my aunt. And her user is beauty_reclaim. And she asked me, how do you conceal under your eyes to hide fine lines? Well, what I do is I use pretty much 2 kinds of, if I can find the other concealer, I don't know where that went, but I use 2 kinds of concealers. I normally try to find a full coverage one and I apply I normally like to mix I actually don't know what happened to the other one. Anyways, I like to mix my concealers and like really pack it on under my eyes, and then I blend them out with either my clean fingers, or a beauty sponge. Or if you don't have a beauty sponge, and if you have like a flat foundation brush like this, all you do is you just do like patting motions under your eye, and that's how you kind of hide your fine line. And with fine lines, you can hide them with concealer, but also use a I think also an eye cream. But yeah, so if you just go like, what I like to do is I take my concealer, and as I did earlier, I start from the inner corner and I work my way to the outer corner of my eye, so where the fine lines are, and I just like to hide them. That's how I cover them up. And yeah, so that's how oh, there it is. That's how I cover them. I use 2 different kinds of concealers. You can use whatever kind you like, and this is what I do. I'll show you. This is what I do. So I do this, and I blend it down. So I start in the inner corner and blend it down. Same thing here. Start in the inner corner, swing it here, swing it to the outer corner of my eye, to where my eye ends, and bring it down. And then I do the same thing with the other concealer. Wind it up, same thing. Underneath, swing, down, 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 down. In a corner, down, swing, swing, swing. Like that. So I put a lot of concealer on under my eyes. Then I take my beauty sponge and I dab it. So I dab from the bottom and go up. And then I just go up and up and up till I get to the corner. So sorry guys, my camera stopped recording. So I go to the inner corner of my eye and blend out. I did the same thing on the other eye. Inner corner, blend out. And then work my way down. I don't like to go the opposite side on my left eye as opposed to my right eye. But yeah, that's how I conceal my fine lines and my under eyes. So thank you, beauty_reclaim, for your question. And the last question is from my lovely boyfriend, and he said, "Why are you so beautiful?" And I'm like, "'Cause I am." Lucky, I guess. I don't know. But thank you, sweetie. He's definitely gonna be watching this. So yeah. And they are the questions for this Q&A, you guys. So thank you all for your questions. If you want me to do any more Q&As, let me know in the comments. And if you have any other questions, leave them down below and I will answer them. that is it. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. Just gonna zhuzh up my hair a little bit. So thank you so much for getting ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me slash Q&A. If you guys want me to do any more get ready with me's or Q&As, let me know in the comments. And also if there's any makeup looks you want me to do, let me know in the comments as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much and I've missed you all so much. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel because I've got some really cool videos coming up this year. And don't forget to give this video a big, big, humongous thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Stay beautiful. Mwah. Bye guys. Love you.